How to write a clickable YouTube title. Today we will transform a generic title into an extremely clickable one. And regardless of your niche, the whole strategy can be applied to your channel and your YouTube titles. We are going to start with the most important part, and that is adding power words to your titles. Power words are persuasive words that elicit an emotional response from the target audience. The goal is to engage the reader, encourage action, and boost conversion rates. In this case, your click-through rate. So instead of clickable alone, which is not a power word at all, we can use extremely clickable. And that is a lot stronger and will certainly get you more views on YouTube. However, even though we now have a lot better title, just by adding one extra word, we can do better. The question you should be asking here is this: is there a power word that also resonates with my viewer and creates either curiosity, fear, or excitement? For this title, yes there is, and it is just perfect. How to write a viral YouTube title. If we compare extremely and viral for a second as a word alone, extremely could even be stronger. However, the word viral resonates with my audience 10 times better because, let's be honest, as content creators, we all want to go viral. So this word taps into desire, which is a great way to make your target audience click on your videos. Now our title is much better, much more clickable than the first one, but we are just starting out. Next, we need to add some numbers, because numbers naturally draw attention in the sea of letters. Of course, there are many different ways to include numbers on this title. One good example could be how to write a viral YouTube title in 4 simple steps. That is pretty good and a lot better than our previous one, because now we are promising our viewer that we are not only showing them how to write a viral YouTube title, we are also giving them a simple 3-step formula, and this creates curiosity due to controversy. Because writing a viral YouTube title is certainly not simple, however, that is what we promise. And that is how curiosity is created in this title. But of course, if you promise it, you gotta deliver it, like we do in this video. And for more in-depth YouTube guides like this, you know what to do. Another good way to utilize numbers for this title could be how to write a viral YouTube title 2023 strategy. Even though this one doesn't actually create curiosity, it has other benefits. First, we are telling our viewer that the information we share in this video is up to date, which is quite important for YouTube education niche, and in addition to that, we are utilizing brackets which also draw attention just like numbers. You see, there are many ways to include numbers to make your YouTube titles much more clickable, and you are the one to decide which method to use depending on your niche and your content. And you know what? Why not we combine both and end our title with, in brackets, in 4 simple steps. Next, on top of desire and curiosity, we will now tap into excitement, which is another strong emotion that makes people click on your YouTube videos, and the way we do it is usually giving our viewer the result. In this case, it is either views or clicks. How to write a viral YouTube title that gets clicks in 4 simple steps. I think that is pretty good, but now we need to shorten our title. In many different browsing modes in different devices, YouTube will cut some part of your title if it is longer than 70 characters. So if you don't want your titles to cut short by YouTube, you are the one who needs to keep them short. Because number one, in such case, the viewer needs to hover over your video to be able to see the full title, which is certainly not something you want. And number two, unless you are specifically targeting search and certain keywords, shorter titles will pretty much always perform better because they are short, clear, and straight to the point. But how can we shorten this specific title? Which word or words we can actually cut from it? For this one, I believe the word we can get rid of is YouTube. You may ask why. Well, picture this. You're watching a video on YouTube and the video is about writing viral titles. Well, of course it's going to be about YouTube titles, but even if that's not enough, we can put an extra indication to our thumbnail. That could be a YouTube logo, a click-through rate screenshot, etc. And with this change, the final form of our title for this video is how to write a viral title that gets clicks in 4 simple steps. Oh wait, I forgot one. Hate it or love it, caps do draw attention. However, using all caps can actually hurt your viewership because it looks like you are just screaming non-stop. If your target audience are not younger viewers, My recommendation is don't afraid to use caps, however, use it to emphasize certain words. Words that you would emphasize when you read your title out loud. For this example, how to write a viral title that gets clicks in 4 simple steps. Whew, I think that's a pretty good title. What do you think? Can you make it better? Let me know in the comment section down below. Include power words that resonates with your audience. Tap on emotions such as curiosity, excitement, fear, or desire. Use numbers and brackets if your content allows. Keep it shorter than 70 characters if possible. Don't afraid of using caps to emphasize certain words in your title. But still, there is one major problem. Even if you do get clicks, unfortunately, at least 90% of small YouTube channels makes way less than they should from AdSense revenue. But luckily, here's how you can fix it today. Make sure to tap on it, and I see you there.